Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Phono Guy. So finally, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite come on 7th January. Unfortunately, Samsung is not yet announced detail regarding the pricing of the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. The phone will come in 2 variants, 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It will be available in a Euro Glow, Black and a Euro Red color option. We expect Samsung to reveal pricing information when CES 2020 open on January 7 next week. Samsung has finally announced the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, the high anticipated watered down version of the Galaxy Note 10 after a torrent of leaks. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite has finally gone official, packing a triple rear camera setup that include a trio of 12 megapixel sensor. The design, just as the leaks had indicted, borrows heavily from the vanilla Galaxy Note 10, complete with the Infinite O display fluminating a creational positioned hole punch. Being a Galaxy Note series phone, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes with the S Pen and feature a in-display fingerprint sensor for the authentications. The Galaxy Note 10 pack a 6.7-inch Full HD 1080p by 2400 pixel Infinity O Super AMOLED display with a pixel density 394 ppi. The design is similar to the what we saw in the Galaxy Note 10. However, the corners are little more rounded and the chin is slightly thicker. The phone comes with the S Pen stylus, which link via Bluetooth Low Energy and offer the usual set of features such as the multimedia control, clicking a picture, and air commands. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite is powered by the 10nm octa-core processor, in which 4 cores are clocked at 2.7 GHz, while the other 4 tick at 1.7 GHz. Samsung has not specified the make of the processor, but leaks suggest that the phone will come equipped with the house Exynos 9810. However, a Samsung representative told us that the processor inside the Galaxy Note 10 Lite might vary by markets, which means a Snapdragon variant might be in the pipeline. Well, the 10nm SoC is paired with up to 8 GB of RAM. Coming up to the imagining department, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes with a triple rear camera setup housed inside a squarish model. The main camera employs 12 megapixel sensor with a dual pixel autofocus f1.7 lens and OIS. It is accompanied by the 12 megapixel wide angle camera with f2.2 aperture, and a third one is the 12 megapixel telephoto lens with an f2.4 aperture and OIS for stabilization. On the front is the 32 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture to take care of selfies and video call. The Galaxy Note 10 Lite comes equipped with 4500 mAh battery with support for the properties super fast charging technology. The phone also features a display fingerprint sensor for the authentication. It's offer a 128 GB of onboard storage that can further be expanded via micro SD card up to 1 TB. The dimension of the Galaxy Note 10 Lite are the 76.1 by 163.7 by 8.7 mm, and it tips the scales at 199 grams. Talking about the price is around of the Galaxy Note 10 Lite is the €600, but it's not the confirmed. On 7th January, we can see how much cost the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So this is the first look of the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Hope you like this video. Thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.